Have you ever tried overnight oatmeal tiramisu? If you didn't, you should make it right away. It is super delicious and it is gluten-free and sugar-free, so you can enjoy it without any guilt. It's a great option for breakfast to keep you full and energetic throughout the day. Plus, it is very simple to make, just 5 minutes. In this busy schedule, I always prefer something easy and also filling and nutritious so that it fulfills my daily nutrition. So friends, I always try new recipes for me and my family, so that my children cannot say it's boring same food every day. So viewers, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The more you comment, the more I will get motivated to make new recipes for you all. I like cooking and mostly I have a sweet tooth, so I always try to make something sweet, but of course I substitute sugar with the healthier version like honey or jaggery. That also in moderate quantity. So let's start making the oatmeal tiramisu. So here I have taken 1 cup rolled oats and I will soak it with 1 glass of milk. And I will also add 1 spoon of cocoa powder. This is unsweet and cocoa powder I bought from market, so I will add it along with 2 spoon honey. And mix it really well. Instead of honey, you can use sugar or maple syrup, whatever white you have at home. And mix it well with the help of a spoon. Also, if you wish, you can add 1/4 spoon of vanilla essence. I didn't have vanilla essence at home, so I didn't add. And let me tell you, without vanilla essence, also it came out perfectly delicious. After mixing everything, I am going to cover it with a plate and keep it in the freeze for overnight. So friends, let me tell you that we often feel guilty eating sweet, conscious of weight gain. However, this overnight tiramisu oatmeal is perfect for your weight loss journey, as it is gluten-free and also sugar-free. In fact, you can lose weight by this is delicious dessert, and the oats contains a lot of fiber, which is essential for weight loss. So friends, now after 12 hours, I take out the soaked oatmeal. See how lovely it looks. Just wow. Now I am going to put it in a cup, nicely set it with the help of a spoon. All the oatmeal have been softened and very nicely, and with chocolate it's melting just awesome. I can't wait to try it. So after setting it on the cup nicely, keep it aside. Now I am going to take 1 cup of Greek yogurt and add a tablespoon of honey and mix it very nicely. So guys, you have used honey curd as well, the regular curd. You tie it with a thin cloth and keep it hanging on the kitchen sink so that all the extra water falls from the curd, making it thick. This is how I make thick and creamy yogurt at home for making any sweet dessert. So after adding the honey, mix the yogurt and honey really well, and now let's set it on the cup. Now I am going to add the yogurt on top of the oatmeal and set it nicely with the help of a spoon. So guys, you can add multiple layer of oatmeal and Greek yogurt as per wish. However, I am going to add only 1 layer, so press the yogurt nicely on top of the oatmeal. It should look nice. Now after setting the yogurt nicely, I am going to sprinkle with some cocoa powder. You need not add sugar to the cocoa, as both the yogurt and oatmeal already had honey and it is sweet. So now friends, the easy and quick overnight oatmeal and tiramisu is ready, and just look at it, how lovely it is looking. It just looks awesome. Let's enjoy it. You can freeze it for 1 hour if you wish, else you can start enjoying it right away. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel and supporting me. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and support me to grow my channel, as really work hard to grow my channel. I continuously try to improve myself, trying to make best upload for my viewers. I really appreciate a lot your valuable time, and please do make this extraordinary dessert at home and surprise everyone from children to adults. Thanks for